Hey, you're live right now. Hello.
Okay, you're in my kitchen and we're just doing this really off-the-cuff live. I've got some tofu. This is egg tofu, which I've already deep fried. Miley's already deep fried it for me. And we're gonna make tie pan tofu today. But except that I know you all don't have a lot of you don't have tie pan at home. But you might have just a saucepan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we make the sauce. And then after that, I'll just fry the egg here and then put everything on the pan and then serve it in the pan. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Basically, I've got minced pork and prawn. Okay, this one's just stuff that I picked up from the supermarket. Alright, this minced prawn is just frozen minced prawn because you might not be able to get fresh prawns. It's not so easy, right? So now I'm just heating up the pot. Right, very easy to make. Actually, the only headache is this tofu bit, right?
How did you fry this?
Basically, you just cut it into little bit and then you just deep fry.
Deep fry with egg?
No, you just cut it, dry it, and then just put it into hot oil, and it will come out like that. Yeah, now I'm just heating the oil. So I've got this. This is just a bit of garlic and ginger, which I'm gonna start frying. So basically, I mean, if you want to make the tie pan part, this basic minced pork recipe is good enough for you to eat with rice. So basically, you sort of like build on top of everything else, right? So I'm just showing you how I do the minced pork. Minced pork is quite simple. I just marinated the minced pork with a bit of salt, with a bit of sesame oil.
So salt, sesame oil,
a bit of corn flour, and a bit of I just put a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. That will help the minced pork from all the proteins from squeezing out all the liquid, you see. It basically does that so that your pork is a little bit more juicy. So this part I'm just frying up the minced pork. Minced pork is definitely one of those kitchen essentials. Very versatile, you can do a lot of things with it. You don't need to use very high heat, just gentle heat. I'm just going to put a bit of pepper. I forgot to put the pepper. You know, the basic marinade, right, for most of this Chinese cooking. Basic marinade is soy sauce, sesame oil, a bit of wine if you want to. In fact, if you want to, you can put in a bit of wine here. Okay, the wine helps to take away the porky aroma. I've got the ginger. The ginger also helps to take away the porky aroma. As you can see, the pork is this is fresh pork, so it's quite nice and it's quite bouncy. You can see that it doesn't disintegrate, right? So all the smell is coming out. And these are basically frozen prawns. So the texture of frozen prawn, because of the process of the preservation process, it will come out crunchy anyway. So if you can, use fresh prawn, but if you can't, frozen prawn is fine. You know, beggars can't be choosers. You know, in this circuit breaker period, sometimes you just have to make do with whatever you have. This is just a bit of Chinese cooking wine. I just throw in a bit of the wine.
Wow, smells good.
Okay, so and then I'm just gonna throw in some of this is baby corn and carrots. Okay. If you don't have baby corn, don't put in. You can put in some green peas. Green peas are very versatile. You can keep them at home. Keep them in the house. You just need a bit of water now. Okay, basically you have the water. Put the water in. Okay, I'm just putting in some oyster sauce. Okay, so this is the this is what I like to use. This is 辣豆瓣酱. Basically, it's almost like a mapo tofu, right? This is just to give it a bit of a zing. 豆瓣酱. If you don't have it, it's fine too. You can add in whatever chili sauce you have at home, but the 豆瓣酱 actually does give it a nice flavor. So right now I just basically just letting it simmer so that the corn, the baby corn, the carrots will have a bit of time to cook, and then as it simmers, the minced pork will release all its flavor as well. So as you can see, you just want to just let it simmer for a while. Let it prawns up. You want to overcook the prawns, I just take the prawns out. Okay, now we just let it simmer. You simmer until the carrots, the corn soften, and basically it. And then what we want to do is to taste it.
How does it taste?
Quite nice. So the other indispensable thing you need to have in the kitchen, I mean, this is chicken stock powder. I know it's a bit of chicken stock powder. I know this is yumminess, right? I know some of the best cooks I know, Michelin 3-star cooks, they don't bother, they'll just put it in. You know what they tell me? As long as it tastes good. If it doesn't taste good, nobody likes to eat it. No matter how, people are not going to complain, if the food is tasty. But if the food is not tasty, people complain. So if you're a home cook, you want to be healthy, and you don't mind people saying the food is bland, then that is fine. But a little bit of this chicken stock powder is medically speaking, it's actually okay, right? As long as you don't overdo it. But a little bit goes a long way. Then the last thing that you need is this corn flour and water. So corn flour and water just acts as a thickener, right?
Yeah.
So once everything is cooked, we want to just thicken it.
Somebody's asking, are you still practicing as a doctor?
Yeah, I have to go back to the clinic later on. So I'm rushing to get this done so that I can go back to the clinic. I prepare all this dinner for the family, for the kids, and for my wife. Almost, you can see that the carrots and everything is almost done, and the water's all dried up already. So what I'm gonna do now is just give it another taste. Yep. Then for color, right? If you feel that it's a bit too light, just a tinge of dark sauce. Okay, so just a tinge of dark sauce to give it some color. You see? I just need a bit more water for this. I'm gonna just throw in this bit of spring onions. If you don't have, no mind, it's okay. In fact, you can make this dish just with minced pork if you don't have everything else. Okay, that doesn't look. It actually is alright lah, Yeah, if you just got mint, a bit of ginger. If you don't have ginger, don't put in the ginger lah. Just minced pork. You cook it, whatever you have at home lah. Okay, this is just a corn flour slurry. Okay, so you see how the thing now thickened up already, very nicely. I turned off the heat already, right? So see, so nice. The corn flour will give it a bit of a shine, picking up the sauce a bit. So. Yeah, the fire is off. Right. Just add in a bit more water because we want a bit more gravy. Just okay. Yeah, just add in a bit more water. Gravy. Okay. I don't want it to be too dry. If it's too dry.
Nobody's saying that the silicone spatula, it's cooking temperature up to 220 degrees, safer to use a wooden spatula.
I don't think it's 220. I'm not doing heavy stir, wok frying. The temperature. Okay lah. Maybe next time I'll use the wooden. It's not heavy frying. If I was doing char kway teow, I'll be using a better wok. I'm just basically okay. This is done.
Okay, it's done.
Okay, here we go. Just spatula. Okay, okay, wooden spatula person. Use a wooden spatula, okay? And I'm going to fry the egg now. Means pork gravy now.
It's pork gravy now. We add on
the prawns go back on. Okay, that's fine. As I say, when you're in the house, right? I know a lot of you don't have a hot plate. I have a hot plate. Looks nice in the photo, but it's very difficult to use. So if you're at home, right? You can just use a saucepan. You fry your egg, and then you just put the stuff on top of the egg, and it's as good as a hot plate lah. And if you don't want to serve the saucepan on the table, you can always fry the egg on one side and then just put it into a nice plate. Alright, and then put the stuff onto the plate, and that's fine also. You know, outside, of course, with a hot plate, then everything sizzles, right? It looks really, really nice. This is a non-stick pan. You see, once the spot goes all one color, you know that it's ready. So you can see that. Okay, 185, 280. Okay, fine. Oil goes in, yeah. You still need a bit of oil because egg. You know, it's just egg. I didn't do anything to the egg.
About 4 eggs.
Yeah, this is 4 eggs. Don't have to do much.
Yes, so pro to get the thermal done.
Okay, I can just, to hurry the, you know, if you want to cook the eggs faster, you can just sort of do this like how you would do a scrambled egg, right? Or omelette, right? Okay, but basically you just let it cook until it's almost done. What I do now is put on the tofu. As you can see, it's almost done. Okay, basically you just see, I can't use my spatula, and now I've got a problem. It's almost done, right?
Yes,
So just
final
heat
step.
up. Yeah, just heat up this again.
We're in the finishing touches of the butter.
Okay, basically you can actually take this off and then put it onto your plate. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just leaving it there. And the egg is almost cooked, so I'm gonna just off the thing already. So I'll bring it to a boil. Right. Ah, you got to see that. See, so nice. Okay, so this is done. So I am, because of this special pan, I can just take off this. Okay, because I have got a pan there. Okay. So I'm just gonna serve it on the table like that. It's a sizzling hot plate, sort of like.
Okay.
Just make sure they don't use their metal spoons to go in and dig. Just give them a wooden spoon. So a lot of you are wondering whether I still work as a doctor. Yes, I'm all dressed up to go to the clinic now. I'm having my dinner. Have a quick meal and then off to the clinic. Tonight we do this ieatishootipost tofu because I felt like eating ieatishootipost tofu. So look at that, yummy. Look at that. I'm just having it in my rice. Wow, ieatishootipost tofu is good.